Okay, so hello everyone, and today, as per the title, maybe, um, we're going to be doing dictionaries in Python. Now, dictionaries can be used for a lot of things, like, making a dictionary, for example, like converting different languages, like from Spanish to English. They can be used to, um, record MLB teams' names and much more. So let's get right into it. Let's get booted up into PyCharm right now. Okay, yeah, this is new PyCharm. And when I say new PyCharm, all I mean is that new PyCharm meaning that it's been updated. So let's go straight ahead. Advanced topics. Open that up, please, and enter. I don't think I've ever gone over the download of PyCharm. So link will be in the description below. You just need to go into your web browser such as Chrome. Open that up. And then what you want to do is you want to search up PyCharm download. I'll give you the link in the description below. But yeah, and then you want to click on the community one. Okay? If you want more stuff from JetBrains, then your IDEs are AppCode, Clion, DataGrip, Golang, IntelliJ. I know this is for Java, PHP obviously for PHP, PyCharm for Python. Writer, I don't know what that's for. Excuse me. RubyMine, probably for Ruby. And this WebStorm for probably web development. So those are all their other IDEs. If you want to go check them out, learn some different languages, that would be great. But let's focus on Python. Oh yeah, they also have an academy, but I think it's paid. So we'll close out of our web browser. Now what you want to do is you want to go into your advanced topics.py, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in a variable. For me, I'm going to say name. So name, and we'll set this equal to a dictionary value. So what a dictionary Okay. So what a dictionary value is that it's saying this string is equal to this string, and then when you call that first string, then the second string will show up. So it goes something like this. You put in curly braces, and what you want to do is you want to say first, because that's your first name, and you'll set this equal to, well, you might set it equal to a different one than mine. And then you put a comma, then you say middle if you want. I'm just going to say middle, VIRL, last, sha. Okay, good. Let's move on. And so now if we just simply print name, and then you'll see that this shows up. And it's technically printing exactly what this is. And we don't want that because let's say we want my first name. So we'll say name first, and it shows I use. So it's calling this function, I think, where it's saying take the name, and then take the first name of the name. So take the first of the name. So it's saying take this first of this name. Okay? Okay. So now we can still print name. Let's just print name. Okay. And then we can pop values. But we cannot append. So we have to do it straight into the dictionary if we ever want to append. So we want to say name dot pop. And then we'll say middle. Okay. And now we'll print name again. Okay, so you can see that this has the middle name, viral, and then this does not because we popped that value. Now, I don't know what this does, I'm not so sure, but let's just give it a try. Pop item. Just run it. Oh, okay. See, it pops the last item on the list. Now here's a little cool project you can do with this. What you can do is that I will take away all of this, and then I'll say that print name first plus, and the reason why we're doing this quotation mark space in between is because you'll see name last. Okay, let's run it. Ayusha. Now without this, it would just be Ayusha. And now if we wanted to add a little more, then we could go, sorry if my thing is lagging, it's a camera, okay? You can't blame cameras, can you? Name, middle, space. Okay. So, Shah, then we'll say is my name. Yeah. Okay, so now we've created a whole sentence on it, and this is just a little for fun. We can do Control Z, Control Y. It looks really cool, but yeah. So that's really a short video. Yeah. So see you next time. But before we go, let's work some more with dictionaries. So just give me a second. I'll pull up a dictionary. Let us pull up a dictionary. Dictionary. Okay, sure. And let's go word of the day. Simulac. Wish this will play. Okay, let's click on it. Now let's play it.
Simulacrum.
Simulacrum. Let's see what it means. An effigy, image, or representation of a simulacrum. A representation. Oh, okay. That's nice. Add. Okay, so that's nice. What's this?
Greetings, wordies. Today's word is the real deal. Or is it a close approximation? The word is simulacrum. That's
Okay, that was weird. Okay, so simulacrum. An effigy, image, or representation. So we can go back into PyCharm and say simulacrum or something like that. Hold up. Let's go here, here, here. Let's go copy. Let's paste it. Simulacrum. That's how it's spelled. An image or representation. Okay. Now, if we take all of this out, name simulacrum, an image or representation. Perfect. Now, you guys can actually pull up a whole dictionary and put the words in, and that would be actually awesome. But you need to format it like this, like that. Okay, that, and like that, like that. You do this type of formatting if it's like really, really, really long. But for this type of stuff, we'll only do this type of formatting, so it looks better. And then don't forget to put this back here, down here. Okay, so that was quite a short video. Thank you all for watching. I'm Ayusha, and please subscribe, turn on bell notifications if you want to hear more of coding, and yeah, so see you in the next video. Subscribe, click the bell notifications if you liked this video, like it if you liked it, obviously, and yeah, dislike it if you didn't. Okay, so bye, see you. Maybe, yes, definitely I might be streaming this Saturday, August 8th, 4 days later. Sorry for not uploading anything last week, except this advanced topics. But yeah, okay, see you. Bye.